guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're closing out the first week of December and opening up the second week, so without further ado, let's go. So guys, hello. It seems like it's been so long since I last filmed, even though it's been only a couple of days, but yeah, I did film a cash unstuffing video. It was my first time doing it, but however, so many things went wrong. I wasn't very well prepared for that video, so I decided not to upload it. So I might do a cash unstuffing video sometimes in the near future. Now I know what I need to film those, how I need to be prepared to film those. So yes, I did promise a video like that this week, but unfortunately it won't be uploaded. But here we are now today to discuss the first week of December. It was a very busy week, and the next week is even busier. I spent a lot of money, I paid for a lot of things, and we're gonna discuss it all today. So we have a lot of colorful lines today on our expense sheet, as you can see. Let's start calculating all of the expenses in total to see the damage we've done. So for Etsy, I spent $209. That was the only one for Etsy. Then for beauty, it was $105 in total. So next we have subscriptions. I paid $590 for a taxi, and then we have a payment on retirement of $350. I paid for my retirement account. And then gifts, we did $91. I paid for tickets for my friend to a weekend concert next year. Technology, I paid $10 for a Netflix subscription. For fun, I did $37. We went to a water park, so that was that. Then clothing was $7. I bought new pajamas, and those were all of the expenses I could calculate off the top of my head. And flights, travel, 815 euros I paid for my trip, for my flights to Maldives. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it, where I set up the budget for my next trip. And then we have the categories that we're gonna do for on the calculator. So Christmas, we spent $123. And then we have our cash envelope. So spending was in total this week, let me check, plus $750 was $2240. Dine out was 2 plus 25, 15, 5 plus 2092 was 5307 for dine out. And then for groceries, it was, oh wait, I didn't press a plus 290 plus 1275. It was 34 and 76. So let me calculate the total across the week. It's gonna be a big number, I can already see it. 91, 350, 123, 10, 37, 209, 590, 105 plus 7. In total, it was 1,656 euros and 22 cents for this week. That's insane. That's usually my monthly only spending, but with the Christmas, with the retirement, with the tickets, with the gifts, it all made sense that it was this much. But yeah, this has definitely been my most expenditure across the whole year, and it happens at the end of the year. So yes, that was the expenses. Let me go to the weekly budget sheet and we can update it. So the income was actually 400. So let me put it here. And then for cash envelopes, let's see the actual amounts, what we spent and what we had. So groceries have a rollover of 10. So let me put it here. So we spent 35. Spending has a rollover of 5, 6, and 7. So that's 23 we spent. And then dine out has a rollover of 10, 15, 16, and 17. So that means we've spent 53, I believe. 53. So in buffer, I want to keep 100 in here at all times. So I think we don't need a lot to hit the 100. So we'll see how much of the rollover money we're putting into buffer. So we have 50, 70, 85, 6, 7, 8. So 88, that means we need 12 to hit the goal. So 2 and 10. So this should be 100 now. 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. Indeed, so this is 100 now in buffer. That's the kind of amount I want to keep in here at all times, just in case I overspend or need to pull during the week from somewhere that's not allocated anywhere else in my budget, which is not usually, doesn't usually happen, but sometimes it does. And then let's calculate the cash envelope total plus 12. Wait, no, 35, 23, 53 plus 12, 123. So in total, we have 277 left over to budget. Okay, so where are we putting the extra money? So I do know that I need 2 extra for clothing, and that's going to go here. For health, it did have 30, and beauty has 30. Travel will be getting 115 plus the 9 from rollover, so that will be 124 in total. Gifts will actually be getting only 1 because we transfer these 4 into travel. Rollover 15, and fun will be getting an extra 5. So in total, for short-term sinking funds, we stuff 227, and that leaves us with 50 left to budget. And then here car got 2, home nothing, emergency 10, savings actually got 9 because that's what we rolled on our roll the dice. Pets got 2, and technology will get an extra 5 today, and then weddings and babies each a 2. So in total that was 32 in long-term sinking funds, minus 32 is 18. And then nothing changed here, so Etsy nothing, charity nothing, tattoos and piercings got 3, 30 for 30 got 15, and subscriptions nothing. So in total this was 18, leaving us with €0. So let's go to our binders quickly and stuff this. So gifts will be getting, so clothes first, clothes will be getting a 2. And let's exchange some bills. So 2 for 5, let's put a 5 in here to have some ones. And then we're putting travel 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's in travel. And then we are putting 1 into gifts. Yes, 1 into gifts. And then 5 in technology and 5 into fun, but we need to split this. Do I have 2 5s somewhere in here? Let me check really quickly. 2 5s, 2 5s. I don't have 2 5s anywhere because I condensed my envelopes fairly recently. Okay, let me check. Do I have... Maybe I can use the money in buffer. Did I have 2 5s in here? I don't remember. Let me check. No, I only had 1 5. Okay, we'll do it like this. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and a 10 back. I didn't have a single 5, but it's fine. So we are putting 5 into fun in winter from the rollover. So that leaves us with 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30 in fun. And then we are putting the extra 5 in technology, which is in our long-term sinking funds binder. And that is in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're putting it in here. So in total, in technology, we have 110, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So 120 now in technology. So great. That was all of the restuffing for the rollover amount. So that was the closeout of the week 1 budget. So now let's go on to week 2 of December, which is going to be 12th of December until the 18th. So our income is going to be paycheck number 2. and it's going to be 350. And then we took 60 euros from rollover to cover all of the expenses. So in total, that's a 410 we're working with this week. So for cash envelopes, groceries is going to get 45, spending 30, and dine out 70, buffer nothing, and in total that's 145. We put each week into our cash envelopes. That leaves us with 265. So in clothing, we're going to put 10. Health is going to get 35. And beauty is going to get 30. So travel is going to get 120. Gifts, nothing. Rollover, nothing. And fun is going to get 18. I don't know why such a weird number. You know what? No, let's actually do it like this. Let's put 15 into fun, and travel will get 123, like that. Okay, great. So for short-term sinking funds, we are putting in total 213 euros. So in total, that is going to leave us with 52 left to budget. So long-term sinking funds, we are putting nothing into car, 4 into home, 10 emergency, and we're budgeting 10 into savings, but we're going to roll the dice to see how much we actually stuff in there. And then pets is nothing, weddings, babies, nothing, and technology is going to get a 5. So in total, that has 29. And it will leave us now with 23 left to budget in our others, savings and miscellaneous. So Etsy isn't going to get anything. Charity is going to get 5. Tattoos and piercings, nothing. 30 for 30 is going to get a 15, and subscriptions is going to get 3. So in total, this is 5 plus 15, 20, 23, which means we have 0 euros left to budget, which means that each euro of our income has a place to go into our budget. So that was the budget set up for week 2 of December. We're going to come back to this at the end of the week to see the actual amounts we changed like we did here, and I do that from week to week to see how my budget moves. Are there any unexpected expenses and stuff like that? So this helps very good to keep the progress, to track, maybe to see if I need to move some money around from my income into my envelope. So this is a very good tool to use in your budgeting. But yes, I will be back tomorrow with a cash stuffing of this paycheck, so make sure to stay tuned for that. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. We have fun over here. I hope you have a very nice day, evening, morning, wherever you are, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.